October is a special time. Breast Cancer Awareness Month, as it has become known, started in 1985. There's a lot of pink during the observance. Most of it's well-intentioned, but some of it a little ironic. Take, for instance, any sporting event in the U.S., which features athletes adorned in pink equipment right before the broadcast cuts away to a beer commercial. Alcohol use is the only dietary connection ever made to an increased risk of breast cancer. It's a point made in several previous Sobriety 60 episodes that daily alcohol consumption of only 10 grams, which is about one drink, is enough to increase breast cancer risk 10%. And risks are especially acute for women who started drinking in their teens. It's the pink ribbon risk hiding in plain sight right behind the Pabst Blue ribbon. Another reason October is a special time, the Unite to Face Addiction event on the Washington Mall. Those in recovery, their families, those in helping professions, and family members of those lost to alcohol and other drugs pour into DC to show that we do recover. The goal is action, not silence. Awareness of the disease of addiction needs to become as mainstream as the pink ribbons to overcome the stigma. Betty Ford was instrumental in fighting the stigma of both alcoholism and breast cancer. In 1974, she became the first to publicly speak about her breast cancer and mastectomy. Up until then, it was called female cancer and never spoken of. In 1978, her family got her into treatment for alcoholism, and she became an outspoken recovery advocate. Until today, the two movements have been on different trajectories. Awareness of breast cancer, which kills 40,000 women a year, and its treatment are at an all-time high. The stigma is gone. Awareness of the dangers of alcohol use, which kills twice as many people, and its treatment, still stigma-loaded topics. Events like the Unite event achieve what all the Race for the Cure race has certainly achieved for awareness of and compassion for those with a deadly but treatable disease. With all the connections between cancer, especially breast cancer, and alcohol use coming to the forefront, there's a significant probability you won't see pink sports gear and beer commercials in the same October broadcast by the end of this decade, because what causes problems is one. I'm between the Vietnam War Memorial and the Korean War Memorial on purpose, because alcohol use kills more in 1 year than both conflicts combined. I'm Scott Stevens. That's the Sobriety 60.